Watcher 6. Hostiles inbound. Take out that sniper. Tango down. Get to the extraction point. Enemy helicopter inbound.
Artificial intelligence is rapidly being integrated into modern warfare by countries around the world. AI is being deployed for electronic surveillance, infrastructure hacking, assisting combat personnel, and even guiding weapons to their targets. As AI systems become more advanced and autonomous, there is growing concern that we may all become targets in future AI-driven conflicts. But why countries are using AI in war? AI provides a tactical advantage by augmenting human capabilities. AI can process vast amounts of data, detect patterns, and make decisions faster than humans, enhancing military performance. Countries fear falling behind adversaries in AI arms race. Nations worry that if they don't develop AI for military use, their adversaries will gain a significant advantage over them. AI allows strikes to be conducted remotely with precision. AI-guided weapons and drones enable targeted strikes from a distance, reducing risk to military personnel. But there are negative impacts of AI warfare as well. One is it lowers the threshold for entering conflicts. The reduced risk of casualties may make leaders more willing to engage in conflicts or use military force. Second, it puts distance between human decision makers and the act of killing. AI-enabled remote warfare can create a video game mentality, desensitizing humans to the consequences of their actions. And the third one, it could lead to rapid escalation in higher civilian casualties. Because the speed of AI decision-making could cause conflicts to escalate out of control, and autonomous weapons may not adequately distinguish between combatants and civilians. And number 4, it opens the door to uncontrollable and unintended consequences. As AI systems become more complex and autonomous, it becomes hard to predict and control their actions, potentially leading to unintended and catastrophic outcomes. The worst case scenario is if AI systems are given increasing autonomy over the use of force, we could face a future where wars are fought by machines with limited human oversight. Removing the human from the loop raises serious ethical concerns. Without clear boundaries, artificially intelligent weapons could wreak unprecedented havoc and destruction. But do we have alternative for this? Please comment down below your thoughts and insights. But for me, the answer is yes. Rather than arming AI for offensive purposes, we should focus on using it to reduce the harms of war. AI could be invaluable for assisting medics in saving lives on the battlefield, finding and rescuing civilians in war zones, clearing minefields, and more. Let's steer AI toward these constructive applications instead of creating robotic soldiers.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
With the AI revolution accelerating, it's critical that the public becomes informed about these issues. As artificially intelligent weapons are developed and deployed, our knowledge may be our best defense. An educated and engaged global citizenry can help steer the development of AI in a more positive humanitarian direction before it's too late. The future of AI and warfare affects us all.